What's up, guys? If you like this video, please subscribe.
I'm here.
Oh, you totally killed that guy. You're like a sexy Mexican ninja.
Puerto Rican.
Safe, Esperanza.
And you keep distracting those fiscal forces. We're heading into the sewer pipes now.
Sewer pipes?
Keep moving, cabron.
Ye may move forth to other battles, my paladin.
We're through the sewers and into the sub-basement.
Those were like the cleanest sewers ever. Not that I'm a sewer expert, but I expected a lot more solid waste. I didn't see a single chunk of...
Cabron, shut your hole before I shut it for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Damage inflicted. Have no fear. Troopmaster Pilgrim is here. What ho required? Enough of this foolishness. Incoming! Come on! Thanks, man. We got this.
We're inside the building.
The server room should be on the main floor somewhere.
Find it fast. Things are getting a little hairy out here. Cats and dogs living together and whatnot.
Once I find it, I'll need a few minutes to get through the security systems and access their network.
Just work fast, Sam.
Keep up the fight! Las Catrinas have your back! Kick ass, muchachas!
Hey, son, log off here. My mech is damaged. Gotta run. Thanks, Troopmaster. System
bunch of computers staring at them. I think he might be having a stroke or something.
Focus, Sam.
Okay. Give me a few minutes. Oh, what the hell is the start menu?
Hey, look at the size of those things!
I got it. Okay, here's the deal. There's a weapon somewhere inside the building that's going to activate in a few minutes.
What kind of weapon? Like a bomb?
I don't know. All I know is that it's inside the building somewhere and it's going to destroy the whole system.
Where's inside the building?
I'm getting conflicting information. Oh, that's too much pressure. Oh, I get diarrhea when I'm nervous, you know?
Okay, new plan. What if we just destroy the whole building?
That could work. But how would you destroy a building?
I don't know. I'll improvise.
Wait, I have an idea. There is a huge bottle of overcharge on top of a building close by. See it?
Yeah?
Get up to that bottle and hurry. We set up a harpoon for you. It should help you get to the bottle faster.
Don't worry. We'll take care of any additional forces. We believe in you!
This is Sunset Overdrive, not E.T. Give me some space. Good work.
You need to get to that bottle. Hurry, we don't have much time. That bottle is actually filled with overcharge. So when you get there, just hit it a few times to build up the pressure inside.
And then what?
It might fly straight into the building.
Might? Great plans.
You're at the bottle? Good. Now hit it.
I'm attacking a huge bottle. Hey, this is hero's work right here. How many times I gotta hit this thing?
That should be enough. Now, when it launches, it might be unstable.
Unstable? Well, that makes two of us. Giddy up, little doggy.
I just lost the best friend I've ever had.
We all lost a friend.
And the world lost a hero.
A hero that will live on, in this city and in our hearts forever.
Whoa, wait a minute. That's the ending? Are you serious? Whose idea was that? Yours? Or yours? Oh, bad move, guys.